Hi, I'm Reese, a designer with the Quilted Cow. Today I'll show you how to make the helpful Heifer table topper number 9. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking sewing machines, creative grids, rulers, and mats, and the beautiful Wilmington prints, the fabric I'll be using today. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make the table topper number 9, and you can get the kits for this on our website at thequiltedcow.com. First, let's cut all of our fabrics to size, which I've already done here. And I'm going to be working from the middle of our table topper to the edges. And first I'm going to show you how to make these half square triangles. First we're going to take our two 3.5 inch squares, and I am going to lay them right sides together. Then I'm going to take our Creative Grids ruler, and I'm going to draw a line from corner to corner. Then I'm going to stitch 1/4 inch on each side of that line. Let's do it. Okay, as you can see, I've stitched 1/4 inch on each side of that drawn line, and now I'm just going to cut right on the line that I drew. So that will be 2 half square triangles. And I'm going to go ahead and press those open. And now I'm going to trim it down to 2.5 inches. And as you can see, I'm using this angle here. I'm putting it right between the two fabrics. And now I'm going to square that up at 2.5 by 2.5. So then you have your perfect half square triangle. So I've already cut my 1 half square triangle. I'm going to go ahead and do this second one. And now we're going to make this piece right here. So we're going to lay them like that. And then I'm going to fold it over right sides together, making sure my corners line up on a pin, and then stitch 1/4 inch down that side. Let's do it. And that is how you get that piece there. That's going to be part of your star in the center of your topper. And let's go ahead and press that open. Now let's assemble this side. I like to lay everything out so I know what's going together. I'm going to take this white fabric and fold it over right sides together on those half square triangle unit. It looks like a flying geese, but it's not technically the size for a flying geese. And then I'm going to stitch 1/4 inch down that side. Let's do it. And that is your middle row. So we're just going to connect this side by folding this center square over right sides together, stitching 1/4 inch down the side, and then we'll do the other side. Let's do that real quick. Okay, I have attached my two sides to that center square. Let's go ahead and press that open. I'm going to press away from the center, and that is your middle row. Let's go ahead and add our other pieces together. Now we're just going to go row by row. Okay, this is the top piece already that I've done. And so we're just going to piece that bottom the same way. There's your strip from your star. And this is how we'll piece together your bottom row. We'll put them right sides together like this, making sure they line up, putting a pin in it, and we'll continue putting them right sides together all the way down until we create this row. Let's do that. Okay, as you can see, I have pieced all of it together. Let's go ahead and give that a good press. Okay, now we're just going to assemble our rows. I've already got this part together in our middle row, so let's just connect these 3 rows together. I'm going to flip it right sides together, and now we're going to stitch 1/4 inch down that line. Let's do it. Okay, as you can see, I have attached these 2 rows together. I'm just going to attach the other one as well. I'm going to pin it and then use 1/4 inch seam allowance. Let's do that. Okay, now we have our bottom piece pieced together. Let's go ahead and press that open. Okay, and now let's just assemble the last few pieces. So I'm going to take this piece in the center and I'm going to flip it right sides together. I'm going to stitch 1/4 of an inch after I pin. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Let's do it real quick. Okay, your topper is assembled. And so let's go ahead and press those seams open real quick. And there you have it, the Helpful Heifer Table Topper number 9. Remember, the kits are available on our website at thequiltedcow.com. And the kit comes with your pattern and all the fabrics you need to sit and sew. Like and subscribe to watch all of our videos. Thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.